Hey guys, how you guys doing today? We are out here at a local spot called Bob's River Place.
Friends in South America, hola, como está? In Brazil, hola, tudo bem? Middle East, maslama. Russian, privet. Italian, buongiorno. Ciao.
We got people all over the world that follow our page, so thank you everybody from all over the world. We got Joe and we got Joe. We call him Jojo, we call him Papa Joe because he is Grandpa Joe. And this is my brother-in-law Joe. So I told Papa Joe that we would find 2 cell phones and a GoPro. So let's see what we can do. He thinks we'll find
4 cell phones and jewelry.
That would be crazy. And then Jojo,
2 cell phones, 2 GoPros, and 2 jewelry.
All right, let's see what we can find. All right, guys, we are all done, and we have pulled out a lot of stuff, a lot of prizes, a lot. Honestly, we really did not pull out very much junk. I mean, Joe's, you guys see a lot of junk down there?
No, not much garbage at all. A lot of treasure, no garbage.
Yeah. So to sum it on up, right here, you can see we found a grand total of 27 sunglasses. 27, man. I mean, 27. That's a lot of sunglasses. Like, but why do you go to a little water park and wear your sunglasses in the water? Can you let me know in the comments? Because it still baffles me. And then we got,
I forgot to put some in.
oh, yep. We got, this is one of my favorites. I mean, it's a nice little Jesus cross. I have a thing about crosses. I think they're pretty cool. But, yeah, a lot of different things. We found a nice little knife. Whole bunch of little jewelry. This one right here is really cool. It's not the megalodon that we found in the last video, but it is a shark tooth on a necklace. What's it called, Joe?
Puka shells.
Puka shells. I like them. Someone's kid was not very happy about this. I know it, because I know if my son would have lost it, oh buddy, end of the world. Iced coffee.
Who doesn't like iced coffee?
Hey, we said at the beginning of the video we'd find a GoPro. Look, we found a GoPro Hero Session and one cell phone. We didn't find two, we found one cell phone. But when it comes to the GoPro and the cell phone, we're going to try the cell phone out. This one, Joe says that this one might be waterproof, so we will try to go ahead and charge it and see what we can find. And then also this, we will see if there's a SIMS card in it, not SIMS card, SD card, and see if we can get the pictures up and see if maybe we can find them. We'll probably also do a video of me pulling it on up and seeing what the heck's on it. But we also found 2 wedding rings. So I don't know how we'll ever even try to find the owners of these. I mean, if the owner happens to see this in this video, let me know. I have no problem handing over, but there's nothing really distinguishing to identify it. We also found some diamond rings, earrings. Not sure if they're real, but we'll
Could
find
be
out.
cubic zirconium.
What was that?
Could be cubic zirconium, but we'll find out.
Yeah. This watch. Look at these two things right here, guys. Look at this gold watch and this gold necklace. That's cool. And then also,
Not clean prior.
no, and this is exactly how they were found. I mean, look at the back of that. That's cool. But no, these are exactly, as you guys seen in the video, exactly how it was. And then also we got 2 Apple Watches. Now, this one I think is pretty well shot. I'm not sure if we could save anything on that. I think it's pretty well shot, but this one looks relatively new, so we're gonna go ahead and try charging it, and if it turns on, we'll see if we can find the owner for it. I mean, there's nothing better than reuniting stuff with the proper owners. Oh, $3. I'm not gonna show you the number. As you guys can see in the picture right now, that is blurred out. The name's not blurred out, but the numbers are blurred out. Because, I mean, if you lost your credit card in the river, would you bother canceling it? I probably wouldn't.
I know I would.
You would?
I'd cancel it.
I would.
I'd probably just say, no one's ever going to get that credit card.
But if what's his name?
If they
I
won't
can't
know,
read
maybe
that.
they didn't think they lost it in the river. Maybe they lost it somewhere else, they thought.
That is definitely true as well. And we found quite a few little Jesus stuff. Cross. This thing was very cool looking underneath the water. And this as well. I mean, we also have our goggles. But I think that's about it, guys. I mean,
Trash,
and of course, the trash that we found, which is not a whole lot, which is awesome. I think this is the least amount of trash that we have ever pulled out of the river on any of our dives. That is by far the least amount we have done. Wouldn't you agree, Joe?
I would agree.
I mean, you guys have seen some of our other videos. We usually pull out buttload of trash in. This time it was more just all finding the treasures, man. I mean, you gotta love it. So we found 2 iPhones, well, sorry, 1 iPhone, 2 Apple Watches, 2 wedding rings, GoPro, diamond earrings, knives, a million goggles, and it's all cool.
Some gold. Can't forget the best part, the gold.
Got that gold. We got that
Ain't
gold.
no wrong with gold.
Bling.
Bling bling,
We're
motherfuckers.
gold diggers around here.
I'm a river digger. I don't know about no gold.
Yeah, you're digging for gold.
I've been up in Colorado a lot trying to find gold up there. This is kind of a lot more fun than painting up gold. Let me know what you guys think. Nathan, if you'll see this, I'm talking about you, man. All right, guys, I think that's about it. Papa Joe, you got any last words to say?
See you in the next video.
Newcomer Joe?
See you until next time.
All right, peace out, guys. Thank you for watching.